Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Dora and today I'm doing something a bit different. So I had surgery on my shoulder, so I can't use my right hand. I'm left-handed, but you always need two hands. So I decided to film this one-hand challenge. So if you want to know how I did it with just one hand and did I have any help for doing this look, please keep on watching and of course subscribe to my channel. So first I have this Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and I've used this many times before, but I bought it again. It's brand new and I think this is pretty much my favorite concealer. I use it in the shade 20. I have a lot of shades for when I'm tanned or not, or if I want a bit lighter, I don't know, my under eye or something. I'll apply it, of course, under my eyes, a bit on my chin to cover this discoloration, on my nose a bit, between my brows, and on my forehead. And I'll blend it with Real Techniques complexion sponge. I like that it's really creamy and it doesn't dry me out. And it has a good coverage. Now I'll take this Catrice Nude Illusion Loose Powder Transparent Matte. They have it in banana shade and in this transparent. I decided to go with this one. I'm applying it into this cap. I'll set my under eyes. And I'll dust it away immediately. Now I'll do my bronzer, and I don't have anything new for now. I'll use this Wet n Wild Caramel Toffee. And now I'll take this blending brush, and with my bronzer I'll go a bit in my crease. Now I'll take this bigger blending brush and I'll just blend the edges. And with this smudger brush I'll apply it a bit on my lower lash line. I'm still using my bronzer. Now I'll take my highlighter, and today I'm using this Mary Lou from the Balm. Now I'm taking I'm taking this e.l.f. palette, and I think I'll mix this shade and this one here. Now I'll try to do my eyeliner, and I'm using liquid ink from Essence. Now I'll try a new mascara, and this is from Rimmel, Scandal Eyes Wow Wings. I heard lots of good things about this mascara, so I'm pretty excited to try it. Wand looks like this. It's pretty good mascara. It gives you a bit more spidery look than I usually like, but it's not too spidery, it's okay. And I mean, it's like brand new, so it's very wet for now, but in, I don't know, a week or two it will be a bit more dry, so I think it will be better for me. But it gives you pretty okay length and a bit of volume, so it's okay. Now I'm just left to do my lips, and I'll be lining it with this Rimmel Cappuccino lip liner. And now I'll use this Maybelline Super Stay Matte ink. It's in the shade 70 Amazonian. This smells great. It's like perfect shade for this time of the year. So guys, this is my completed look, and honestly I'm very satisfied. I did all of this with just one hand and I like it. It's pretty fall look, and I love this lip shade. It's really nice and it's really comfortable on the lips. It's like balmy almost feeling. So that's it guys, thank you for watching. I hope you liked this kind of video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with friends, and of course subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.